Isin muna natin. Ay, naku. Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna clean up the house. I've been doing nothing since couple of hours right now. I'm just doing nothing. I just do like this. Thinking. And then I just realized doing nothing cannot help me. So let's do live. And later we're gonna cook again porridge. I'm gonna cook porridge again later, or maybe some good morning Shed Hamid. Hello, good morning. Oh, I just keep thinking and I just got pimples. I got pimples because I think a lot. See that? I'm thinking a lot. I'm having breakout. I'm having breakout. I'm so struggling in life. No, it's not hard to have a pimple. It's not hard at all. It's hard. You know what hard is? When you're hungry and you don't have food. That's what hard. So, hi, Bernard. I'm not good. How about you? Look at my house. So messy. I'm from Philippines. Oh, I hope everyone is doing well and fine and good. I'm the only one who's not good. Yeah, I have so many work. I have so many cleaning to do and thinking to do. You wanna see here? So messy also. Let's clean up. We need to be strong in life. Strong, independent woman.